Okay, today we're looking at a 2013 Honda Pilot EXL. It's a certified Pilot. It's got 76,000 miles on it. It's amber brown metallic in color. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. Start on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. All right, it does have the tow hitch, trailer plug-in, dual exhaust, rear backup camera. All right, it does have the third row as well. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything's in really good shape. This Pilot's been well taken care of. Once again, it's a 2013, 76,000 miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Let me go ahead and grab that key out. Right, door panels look good. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the beige leather power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in good shape. It is equipped with the sunroof. All right, it does have 2 keyless entry key fobs. Got your cup holders, center console storage here with the power outlet and auxiliary plug with the USB plug as well. Passenger seat is in good shape. It is an automatic. It's got your heated seats, dual climate controls, CD player. All right, it's going to have your display screen right here with the backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 76,879 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the display screen here. All right, got your AM, FM radio. I'm going to engage the backup camera. All right. Got your entertainment right here. Climate control here. Also has the heated seats, dual climate controls. All right. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. Don't see any problems there. It does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders back here. Got your rear heat and rear air. Power outlet there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view here. The dash and the layout. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at your third row. Third row seats are in great shape. Let me go ahead and walk around here, open up this passenger side door, get some more light in so you can really see what I'm talking about here. There we go, that should open it up a little bit. Okay, like I said, back seat, our second row is in good shape. Take a look at the third row. All right, it's also in really good shape. Go ahead and check out the storage space back here. All right, as you can see, with the third row up, it does cut into the space a little bit. Really easy to get these seats down. You pull the handle down, and just push the seat right down. All right, now you can really see how much that opens it up back there. All right, convenient power outlet here. All right, it does have the power lift gate. Simply press that button to engage. Nice and smooth coming down. Give you a shot of the passenger seat here. All right, for a 13 with 76,000 miles on it, this thing's in fantastic shape. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Let's see what size we have. 18-inch alloys here. All right, tires are in great shape, brand new set of tires. All right, once again, 2013 Honda Pilot EXL. Certified. All right, 76,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.